Hey everyone, Vinayak here. Whenever we conduct interviews for our podcast, we always needed to lug around the Blue Yeti, which yes has great sound quality, but is also big and not that easy to stuff into a bag. So we bought ourselves the Maono AU-404 dual lavalier mics. Let's check out how good these mics are. Today we are unboxing the Maono lavalier microphone. Here's the box, and opening it up we have a handy drawstring pouch, which looks quite nice with the Maono branding on it. Also in the box are instruction manuals. Emptying out the pouch, we have clips to enable attaching the mic to a shirt or a collar, a 4-pin to 3-pin adapter to use the mic with laptops or other hardware, a cable to split the audio between the phone and earphones so as to be able to connect two earphones headsets is also provided. Here are the mic themselves. We have a pair and the cable extends to about 6 feet. The mic on connecting to a phone is detected automatically, and I found my voice recorder application auto switched to the external mic mode. So most people would be using this mic maybe for a one-on-one conversation recording like this, and I generally use the Blue Yeti, which is actually over here, and I also have this lavalier mic which is connected. So I'll keep shifting between the audio of the Blue Yeti and this lavalier mic so that you can gauge for yourself which is good and if this is worth the price that they are quoting. I would totally recommend it as the audio quality is quite good, and with support for multiple devices such as phones and also PC laptops, this is a perfect purchase for this price point to up your audio game for YouTube or podcasts or just where you want quality audio recordings. If you have any questions, write in to us at tech@talkingstuff.net or message us on the WhatsApp number that you can see over here. So that's it from me. Thank you for watching and see you all next time. Make sure to like this video and also subscribe to the channel. Also make sure to click on the notification bell to be informed when new videos are added.